Happy New Year, guys. I hope 2021 will be the one of the best years you had in your life. Should be positive and futuristic to think about what you're gonna have in 2021. Like I am positive that I'm gonna work more for YouTube and work more hard for my MBBS and for further studies. You should be positive about your life and what you're gonna have ahead. You want it. As my 2020 was one of the greatest year I had because I found you guys, and it was great for me as emotional aspect because I always had you guys. You backed me. I never thought about that I'll be able to open a YouTube channel, but because of you guys help, I opened a YouTube channel and I'm trying to make more videos and help you guys just because you guys help. And in 2021 I'm trying to give you a gift that I posted on the community post, and I am actually working on it. I hope it will be ready in few weeks and I'll be able to give you that gift that I'm planning to. And remember, it doesn't matter what you are going through, just being positive and having a positive thinking and a futuristic thinking might be able to help you with the thing that you're struggling with. So doesn't matter if you're giving NEET, doesn't matter if your family situation or your surrounding situation is very difficult. Just be positive and everything will work upon you. So get yourself ready for 2021, and I hope you're gonna have a great year ahead. If you guys want to give me any suggestion, I'm open to any suggestion you want to give, and I'm really glad to have you guys here in my life. Remember, doesn't matter what your resolution is, just you need to be positive and work upon to make your resolution work in 2021. Things I learned in 2020 was, number one thing, believe in yourself. Doesn't matter what your surrounding or people say to you. And the second thing, if you're capable, you'll be able to do it, and people will help you when people see that you're capable of it. And number third thing is, doesn't matter what your situation is, you need to find the best thing that you can find in that situation. So that, as I found lockdown very terrifying, but I found you guys in that situation. So this is the most important thing I learned from 2020. So again, happy new year guys, and I love you all, and keep supporting me because what I am is because of you guys only.